Question 1. The committee will meet tomorrow to discuss the budget proposals for next year. Question 2. She received an excellent grade on her science project about renewable energy. Question 3. The restaurant serves delicious food, but their service could be better. Question 4. I definitely think we should go to the museum this weekend for the exhibition. Question 5. The company will separate the departments to improve efficiency and communication. Question 6. You're going to love the surprise party we planned for your birthday. Question 7. The students were embarrassed when they realized their mistake during the presentation. Question 8. She carefully wraps the fragile items in bubble wrap before shipping them. Question 9. The weather forecast predicts rain, so bring an umbrella just in case. Question 10. They're planning to renovate their house next summer with professional contractors. Question 11. The librarian helped me find several interesting books about ancient civilizations. Question 12. We need to accommodate all the guests at the wedding reception this Saturday. Question 13. The principal of the school announced new policies regarding student behavior. Question 14. She bought beautiful stationery for writing thank you notes after the party. Question 15. The magician performed an incredible trick that left the audience completely amazed. Question 16. It's important to maintain a healthy diet and exercise regularly for good health. Question 17. The children were disappointed when the picnic was cancelled due to bad weather. Question 18. He tried to persuade his friends to join the hiking club this semester. Question 19. The jewelry store has a wide variety of beautiful necklaces and bracelets. Question 20. She felt privileged to be invited to the exclusive conference on technology. Question 21. The documentary about ocean conservation was truly fascinating and educational. Question 22. We drove through the beautiful countrysides during our vacation last month. Question 23. The professor recommended several excellent references for our research project. Question 24. She was grateful for all the help she received during her difficult time. Question 25. The athlete demonstrated tremendous perseverance throughout the challenging competition.